Welcome. If you ever wanted to quickly manage your emails by swiping left to delete them in the Gmail app, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to set it up so you can clean up your inbox with just one swipe. First, open the Gmail app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to customize. Once the app opens, take a look at the top left corner of your screen. You'll see three horizontal lines, often called the menu icon. Go ahead and tap on that. When the menu opens, scroll all the way down until you find settings and tap it. If you have multiple accounts signed in, you'll see each of them listed. But for this setup, look for General Settings and tap that option. Inside the General Settings menu, scroll until you find Swipe Actions. This is where you can decide what happens when you swipe left or right on an email in your inbox. Tap on Swipe Actions to open the customization screen. Now you'll see two options, one for right swipe and one for left swipe. Locate left swipe and then tap Change next to it. A list of available actions will appear. From that list, select Delete. Once you've selected it, you can exit the settings. There's no need to save manually because Gmail automatically updates your preferences. To make sure it works, go back to your inbox and swipe a message to the left. You should now see that it instantly deletes the email. And that's it. You've just customized your Gmail swipe action so you can delete emails faster and keep your inbox neat and organized. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick, easy tech tips that make everyday life simpler. Thanks for watching.